Guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I want to share with you guys how you can actually achieve a matte face. As you guys can see right here, my face is so oily, combining with the moisturizing that I did, and everything was oil. So if I should apply my foundation in this process, everything is gonna be too cakey. So because of that, I'm gonna achieve a matte look with my Johnson baby powder, and I'm gonna apply a little amount of it and begin to damp it inside my skin, because that will actually help to soak in enough oil, all those oils on my face. And by doing this can actually help my foundation, to look so matte. Even if it's an oily foundation that I applied, it will help it to look matte. And this is kind of making it, when you have a matte foundation and you just come out, it will take hours or so for the foundation to be bringing out oils. So if you don't do it this way, you can actually bring out oils within 1 to 3 hours. But if you do it this way, applying a powder first before the foundation, then this can actually help you to make your makeup last all day. So after that, I go ahead with my concealer, and the concealer is from Clinique, and I'm going to use it to conceal under my eyes, and also add it with Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And after that, then I go into blending. And when you are blending, you make sure that you blend it very well, blend it smoothly, and blending smoothly can as well help you to get those beautiful smoothie look. I would like you guys to stick to the video to see how I achieve the look, and enjoy, guys.
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
And boom, I'm done guys, and this is how I achieve my matte look. This makeup right here actually lasted me all day without any creases. So, and that is it. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, make sure you hit the bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
But someday